Hello everybody, this is Soumya from the Truth TV and I'm here to unbox the Iconic Luxury Hot Brush which we've got and we've used it. So this will be a video review come the unboxing. So let's do the unboxing first and see what we have got in this luxurious box from the brand. Before going through it, let me say the packaging is very impressive. So this is what we have got. It's a black box in which we have the hairbrush and this is the protecting cover. It also has about the brief of the product. So when we talk about Iconic Luxury Hot Brush, there are 4-5 specs which are very important and which is the USP of the product. The first thing is 50-second heat up time for quick hairstyling, which is quite impressive. Unique crystal architecture for volume and bounce. Rubberized body for comfortable grip and control. Static free bristles to glide through your hair, making it glossy and frizz free. Smart design to protect your scalp from damage and burns. Safe to daily use. So that has been the brief about the product and that is it. Let's now open the box and see how the product actually looks like. So far we've seen the touch and feel factor about the product, like how the brush feels, how's the grip, the rubber finish, and it actually feels very luxurious. But how does it actually work when it is being applied on your hair? So as you can see, it's a normal shampooed hair, which I'm just having right now. So I have a very bulky and hazy, like you can say very fizzy hair. And I'll be applying this hairbrush. So as we can see, the brush has two buttons where we can operate the temperature accordingly. So one is the power button from which we can switch off and switch on the brush, and the others are the temperature. So we can set the temperature accordingly. If I want to have like 210, I can just increase it, and if I want to have 160 degrees, so I can just reduce it. It is according to your wish which you want it. So I have set my brush at 180 degree. So let's see. So far we have seen how the product look and what is the touch and feel. As we can say, the grip is quite good and it has a rubber finish. Plus, they have two bristles. So you can see that black ones which are not at all heated and they are very neutral. So they actually touch your scalp. So, and there are pink ones which are actually activated with the heatness. So over the period of time, you've seen how that brush works and how it has changed the hair. So like 4 or 5 pros and cons which we can discuss about the brush right now. So the very first thing which is very appealing about the brush is that it can give you salon-like styling at home. If you don't have time to go to the salon, it is a perfect product to have one. The second thing is that easy to carry. We have a beautiful pouch where you can carry the product, and the wire is quite long, so you don't have to worry about where the switchboard is. So it's easily you can use it at any port which is normal size, and it's good to go. Like, it's a very good to go product and it heats up very quickly, as it said, like 50 seconds, and it really does. But major concern is the cooling issue, because it heats up very quickly but it takes time for cooling down. So like, I just straighten my hair, not very much, but yes, I just align my hair rather, and I used it at 180 degree. And uske baad, the major thing is that the hair feels good, but the product is still warm. It's been like 5 minutes that I have straightened my hair, but my product is still warm. So you have to take care. You should not be keeping it on some plastic thing or something like which can be affected with the heat. So I have kept it here, and it might get cold in a while. Along with that, the bristles are so clear that your hair actually doesn't stuck, and if they do, as soon as it gets warm, like it's get cold, you can simply put it off. The only thing which I feel about this product is that they should have given a you can say a cleaner for the hair, which we could just pull it out. That could have helped more. Over and above, the product is wonderful to use, easy to go, as it's a festive season all the time. And it's like if you're a partyholic, you can certainly have this thing all the time, and it will help you on a big run. So coming on to the pricing of the product is priced at around 6,500, which seems to be quite justified, as the product is very handy, very luxurious and compact product you have. And just like any other important salon like product you have, it is also classy, and it helps to maintain the, you can say, the like the kind of quality you have in your hair. It doesn't damage much. But yes, we would suggest you to, whenever you use the brush, and if you're using it very frequently, you must use a heat protection spray or a proper thick serum which will help your hair, because in any ways you're heating your hair. So take care.